Yeah, good morning, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, 10th of September 2018, new trading week. This is just my daily video on where I go over and what I've done this morning on the daily charts on both the Mod MACD and the high probability methods, so covering both methods there. I probably won't be doing videos for the next couple of days as I'm heading out of town. I should be back on probably Thursday, I think. But we'll see. Alright, let's have a look at the charts. We'll start with the Mod MACD daily charts. First chart up, first pair, New Zealand Japanese yen, took us in a sell back here at the intersection of the two red lines there. This morning all I've done is closed 1/3 of that trade and set a stop at 74.004. So basically, because prices got down to this previous low, just decided to reduce the risk, close 1/3 of my trade and set a stop. So that's the New Zealand Japanese yen. The pound New Zealand, I did this the other day on Friday. After I did my video on Friday, I just you can see my notes here, just pause the video. I closed 1/3 of my trade and just set a stop down here at 1.93309. That's a pound New Zealand, that's a buy. So just locking in some profit there basically, and just reducing my overall risk as per my notes. So that's it for the Mod MACD. Let's go to the probability daily charts. Alright, so yeah, this week just got to head down south a bit. It's only about 30 minutes drive down here, but it's more of a social thing, and I won't be having my microphone with me. I'll just have my laptop and still do the daily charts, etc., but won't be as much interaction. Alright, let's have a look. These are the high probability daily charts. Euro pound in a sell here, this intersection here. Price obviously went against me initially, then came down towards the MAs. This morning there's a bullish JAGfx RD. This is a high risk trade to start with as it was against the trend. So this morning I've closed out half that sell and set a stop, moved my stop to 0.90096. So stop's just this red dotted line there. So the sell closed half, put a stop in. The MACD's through the 0 level 2s, rid the MAs, bullish JAGfx there, just reducing risk there. Euro CAD, I think I took a new sell trade this morning. Yep, right in this area here, there's divergence. You can see here on higher MACD and lower on price. So bearish divergence there to the downside. Price got to the 240 sort of LMA, sort of bounced down a little bit. It opened this morning, has been a sort of a bullish candle, so I'm glad I sort of wasn't at the market open. Got in at this level here on the red line, so it's a sell on the Euro CAD. And CHF Japanese yen, the Swiss yen, in a sell this morning. It's a bit of a higher risk trade, this one. The main thing is sort of the MAs are sort of messy, but it looks like they want to head up, but they're very tight at the moment. What I like probably is the MACD's a long way above the 0 level, so it's worth a shot. There's a stop in place there, so I took the sell this morning. It's very overextended, it's been a big move up, so I would consider this a high risk trade, but it's worth a go. That's the Swiss yen. And pound New Zealand is the final one. Got to this previous high on Friday and it's confirmed this morning. If you look at the chart there, that blue aqua line, so to me that's a fairly solid sort of possibly a resistance level. So all I've done this morning was close out half my trade, half my buy trade. Buy trade was back here, and move my stop up to 1.94219, so just inside the entry level. This is the pair that I sort of stuffed up. I took the buy, should have been out of it. This buy should have been out of it already. Then I took a sell to hedge, lost on the sell, but now the buy, the original buy, is putting me in overall profit on this pair, which is good. So that's the pound New Zealand. I think that's it. So it's a fairly quiet start to the week, guys. Yeah, So that's it. I'll get this uploaded and posted. Make sure if you guys are watching this on YouTube and you're not a member of the Facebook group yet, you're more than welcome to join. It's a private Facebook group for JAGfx where we go through all these setups, etc. And if you do like these videos, please subscribe or at least hit the like button. Alright, thanks very much for that. Cheers.